Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's talk about something very important. This is one of the most used command in Linux. If you want to go from one location to another location in Linux, you will use the command cd. Cd stands for change directory. This command is not an external command. This is an inbuilt bash shell command. Let's see what this command has in place for us and how do we use it. So I am on my terminal right now. So if I write cd, let's see what happens. So I was in the root folder, but now I am in my home folder. So why does this happen? Whenever you write cd and don't mention the path that you want to move to, it will directly take you to home. For example, if I want to move to a specific folder, I would write cd and the path of that folder. I would write, I would like to go to cybersecurity folder in my Linux, which is in OPT folder. So let me write cybersecurity. If you observe, I wrote path. So the cd command took me to the cybersecurity folder. How do I check it? If you write pwd, you can see that I am right now in cybersecurity folder. Let's again try to write the cd command without specifying the path. I will write cd and I'll not specify the path and I'll hit enter. Now I'm again back to the home folder. If you don't mention the path that you want to go to, cd command takes you to the home folder. Is this the only way to go to home folder? No. If you write cd and the symbol tilde, you'll go to home folder, right? So this is the path that I want to go to. And if you just write cd, you'll again go to the same folder. Now let's again go back to the cybersecurity folder and run this command. I'll write cd and I'd write dash and let's see what happens. If I did this, it will again take me to the home folder. But this time something different is happening here. So whenever you write cd dash, it will take you back to your previous working directory. So previously I was in home. So then I went into cybersecurity folder, which is in the OPT folder. So I wrote cd dash. It took me directly to the home folder, which was my previous working directory. Let's do this again, but with a different use case. Now let's go to my cybersecurity folder again. All right. And let's see what folders and files do I have in the cybersecurity folder. So if I hit ls, I have blue team and red team folders. So let's navigate to blue team folder. Now I'm inside blue team folder. If I write cd dash, what do you think the terminal will do? Will it take me to home or will it take me to cybersecurity folder? Let's see. It took me to cybersecurity folder. Why? Because when I used this command, I was in the folder blue team. Before this command, I was in the folder cybersecurity. So it took me to the previous working directory. I hope you got this point. Now let's move to another shortcut, which is cd space dot dot. So what this does is that it will take you to your parent directory, which is one level up from your present directory. So my parent now I am in cybersecurity. My parent directory is OPT. So if I write cd dot dot, the Linux terminal or the Linux shell will take me to the OPT directory. Let's see. Now, if I again type cd space dot dot, it will take me to the root directory, because root was my parent directory for my OPT folder. What if you want to go back 2 levels instead of 1 level? Let's see that too. So I would again go to my cybersecurity folder, which is in OPT cybersecurity. Now I am in my cybersecurity folder. If I write cd space dot dot, it will take me to the OPT folder. What if I want to go to root folder instead of OPT folder? You write slash and again you type in 2 dots. So what this will do is that it will move back 2 levels up. So first it will go to OPT and again then it will go to root. So if I hit enter, it will take me to the root folder. There's also one more shortcut which is not really useful, but it works. So let's say I only write a single dot instead of two dots, cd space dot. And what happens is that you will stay in the same directory that you're in. So nothing really happens, but it still works. Let's move into something new now. I'll write something different this time and see what happens. I'd write cd dollar OLDPWD, which stands for old print working directory. It will take me to my previous directory where I was before this command. And if I write cd home, it would take me to my home location. And if I write cd pwd, I'll stay in the same directory. So these are some of the cool things that you can do, but you mostly don't use them unless you customize the environment variable. Let's also see how to set up a custom variable so that you can use that variable to move into a specific path directly. So you do that by writing export and the name of that variable. For example, I want to go into the path of my blue team's directory, which is inside cybersecurity directory. So I would write export is equals to my path and hit enter. Now, whenever I want to go into this location, I can just write, I did a small mistake. The command is export and the name of that variable and the path. And I hit enter. And whenever I want to go into this specific location, I can just write cd and use a dollar sign and use the variable name. And if I hit enter, it takes me to the blue team folder, which I specified here in the while configuring the variable. So this is all about cd command. I hope I covered the basics. Let me know in the comments if I forgot anything, and do remember that these are not the options that cd provides. These are all the shortcuts that you can use with the cd command to change the behavior of the cd command. So I hope you remember that. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.